Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering, how did you get here? From the nice beaches in Jamaica and that warm sunshine, to here boiling a pot of boiling water to take outside in negative 35 degrees to see what's gonna happen. How cold is Alberta, you guys may be wondering? Well, let's go outside and take a look. Now this pot of water is fresh off the stove, and this is what happened when we pop it up. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video, guys. It's a cold morning this morning, guys. It's feeling like negative 40 degrees here in Grand Prairie, Alberta this morning. The school buses are cancelled because it's too cold. Hold on. Yeah, as I was saying, the school buses are cancelled because it's too cold. It's really rough this morning, guys. Life living in the great north, especially in Alberta. Grand Prairie today is the third coldest city on earth. At least this morning, the temperature is negative 37, feeling like negative 40. Gets as cold as negative 42. And that ranks as being the third coldest city on the planet at the moment. Can you guys believe that? It's crazy, guys. We have light snow going on and freezing temperatures. Yeah, still taking the girls out. I have to go to work. Let's have to go to work as well. Come along, guys. Let's see what the roads are looking like. Okay, put on your shoes. Everybody ready? I know. Malika, put on your shoes, please. Put on your shoes. Where's the next foot, Malika? Oh, there it is. Put it on, please. Put it on properly. Okay, good job. Where's your mittens, Malia? Okay, guys, we're out and about. It's what time is it now? 10 minutes after 8. Malika should reach the school by 8:15, but our school is like literally 2 minutes away, so we'll make it on time. But this is what living in Alberta is all about, guys. It's a cold morning, guys, and it's dark. Today is what? Today is the 4th of February or the 3rd? 4th. Today's the 4th of February 2025, guys. And Grand Prairie today is the third coldest city on earth based on temperatures. So you know what we're talking about, not messing around. Shout out to all the persons in the States for getting a little snow over there and experience a little bit of cold and a little bit of cool, we'll call it here in Canada. And you know, over there in the winter jacket and stuff. Right now we just want to say ha ha ha. Man, it's rough. Anyways, if you guys haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a second and hit that subscribe button. What you get on our channel is really lifestyle content about life here in Grand Prairie, life here in Alberta, Canada. As immigrants, we try to share our journey unfiltered while also providing pertinent information that can be valuable to to our viewers and subscribers, persons who want to know what it is like to move to Canada, and persons who want to know ways that they can move to Canada. My family consists of myself, my wife, and my 2 daughters, Malia and Malika. Malika is 7 years old and Malia is 3 years old. And that's the makeup of the Andersons family, right? What are you doing? She call him cross?
No, I'm not going the way, so that's one cross here.
I don't think I want back on me. Yeah guys, so this is real life depiction of what it is like this morning. I'm not even gonna bother over edit this part because I want you guys to watch it and feel cool. Right? I want you guys to watch this video and feel exactly what we're feeling. Somewhat. You can stretch around and put on back our gloves just so it's easier when I time to bring her up. Just
when it's stop.
Last year we never get a real whole for them temperature here last winter, you know.
Maybe that's one time and that's it, one day. But this is the entire week, so.
Yeah, it's from the entire weekend, Saturday, Sunday, yesterday, today. It's brutally cold.
Why?
Come. Leave the car alone. You're going to
No,
school.
carry it with.
We can take my car out home. We can take my car out. We can take my car out school.
Oh, Mika can't take your car to school?
Yeah.
I left my gloves. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, so that was not nice just now. I forgot my gloves. I forgot it. Man. So currently I'm going to pick up Zuri, take her today home with Malia, take Nats to work. I love Tuesdays because Nats go to work the same schedule like everybody else. Nats go to work the same schedule as everybody else, so that's good. Nats look like a frozen.
Yeah, frozen popsicle.
A popsicle. Oh gosh. It's cold guys, it's cold, but that's what it is. And people always wonder like if they're gonna be able to adapt to the cold. I mean, we don't have a choice, you have to. We already know that you're moving to Canada or you're planning to move to Canada. Canada is a cold country. That's just how it is. Should I go straight or turn?
Follow your gut.
Follow my gut. My gut has to go straight this morning. Let me see if I have good instincts today. Yeah, you just have to deal with it. There's no real strategy that you can do other than to just dress warm, dress in layers, and so forth, so on. But there's no secret strategy that you can do to mitigate the cold. You just have to deal with it and live with it, right? Anyways, one of those days. How are you feeling this morning?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Stop it, little. So far so good. Seems like I made a good decision because
No traffic.
the traffic was backed up right here. So the other day when we chose to come right here. So but every morning we drive past, I just 1 or 2 car. I'm like, what's going on? So it seemed like I won with my gut today. So far so good. That's a good way to start the morning because it would have been really messed up if you make a bad decision so early in the morning. Which I know I made a wrong decision. Great decision actually. I love it.
It's cold. Nobody wants to be on the road.
Well, actually, it's cold. Everybody forget how to drive. Equal traffic everywhere. Guys, you can probably just look outside and see all of that nastiness.
I don't think they're getting it.
Don't you think so?
No. See what we're seeing and what they're seeing, and it's too different. It's foggy and, look how we look cold. But you're saying just regular.
You can see all the exhaust from the car and stuff.
Don't try it.
I'll reserve my opinion. See, everybody forgets to drive when it's this cold.
Why?
Because everyone is just probably overly cautious because the roads can be very, very icy. The visibility sometimes can be poor.
Right now we can't see down the road.
So, a number of factors. You might have that one crazy who decide to just walk out to the road. So many factors.
Oh gosh.
What's up?
I just see people them, the homeless. I wonder like some of them don't get to go in the shelter or anything. Oh, them survive the cold. Because only the other day I saw someone asking about tent and so they just want a tent to
Take off some of my clothes?
could take off some of the coal. A gentleman was suggesting that using like the ET bus stop that was downtown and stuff like that.
I don't know, man.
Sometimes I wonder what happened to them when the cold like this. It's really
I mean, there's resources.
yeah, but some of them unruly and some of them can't go in some of the places.
True, and I think it's just my own personal bias, and I always say that because sometimes until we don't understand certain things, we are easy to make assumptions. But for me, my personal bias leads me to not really be too sympathetic, because everything in life is a choice, and you know the implication of doing drugs, you know the implication of doing certain things, you know the implication, and someone say I know, and it's really bad that I say that because I know and I can admit that it's probably bias. Because everybody's situation is probably different and everybody probably experience things differently. But again, there's resources and places where they can go and stuff that they can do. So if they choose not to do it because they don't want to follow the rules, oftentimes they're just very disorderly. They don't want any structure, anything like that, and then you prefer to be out there in the cold pretty much. You get me? So even though it's a series of bad decisions that have taken you to where you are, like it's not one or two bad decisions, it's a series of bad decisions have gotten you to that point. And then even though you have gotten to that point, there's still resources that you can benefit from that can, you know?
Is she sleeping?
No.
Oh,
That can aid you a little bit, and many of them don't choose not to do it, not to take
it's
it.
true.
So
That's the fun.
and stuff like that. And run, Miss Jenny, run.
Not even have a head cover up. A foggy, plus I get foggy.
It's been foggy.
No, it wasn't. Oh, but where we're coming from wasn't foggy.
Glass of fresh up if you put it on max. Cold or no cold, you have to observe the school zone. You got to remember that. School buses are cancelled this morning. Woo. But that call up, I have to roll a good 5 minutes. What is it? Look at more. You're playing Toco Loco?
Yes.
Okay.